What's going on, guys? Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is that you're watching me. I got another beautiful piece for you. Check out this one. This price is out here in the Dominion. The price of this house is $599,000. It's over 2,900 square feet, and it's only 3 weeks old. Booyah! Yeah. To the right, we have a receiver living room. As you can see, we have 9-foot doors and doorways and ceilings. Here in the front, we have a little study room office. As we continue our tour, we have our stairs that lead up to most of the living quarters. We have one guest room here in the back. We'll show you that in a bit. To the windows, you'll see we have double windows here, double heights. Enjoy the beautiful view. We have a beautiful kitchen. Fancy cabinets, 42-inch cabinets with granite, all gas. Appliances. Yeah. That's right, guys. Check out this view. 509,000 gets this beautiful home plus this beautiful view, guys. That's right. Every day, every morning, this can be your view. This can be something that you guys will have for you and your family to be thankful for. Let's go ahead and get you guys the rest of the tour of this property. Down here to your left, we have a coat closet, fairly deep. Or one of the 4 restrooms, one of the guest rooms here. And that door leads us out to our 2-door garage. Let me walk you up this beautiful staircase. It's gonna lead us up to our carpeted living area. Straight ahead, we have our pan for our washer and dryer laundry room. All right, guys, to my left, we walk in, we have one of the rooms. This room shares a restroom with this beautiful room here. Restroom, shower, and toilet, and it's shared with the next room here. And that leads me back on that hallway. It leads me back out, right exactly like I came up the stairs. There's a laundry room we mentioned. Here's another room number 3, other rooms that we mentioned. Here's the third restroom that we showed. And as you walk down this beautiful hallway, I cannot forget these beautiful views. And then we have this extra view here from the top down when somebody's walking in. This is what the master bedroom view looks like whenever they walk out of the master bedroom. But let me show you again the views. These are the views from the master bedroom. They walk in. Nice bedroom with carpeted floors. And as you guys can see, they have their restroom here with wooden floors, or tile floors, I'm sorry. Here is a double vanity, large mirror, large towel closet, a shower, and the toilet here's in the back, so for privacy. I'll show you, go ahead and show you that so you guys can see how private it is. And this large walk-in closet to compensate for the large house and the large family is gonna live in here. All right, guys, so if you're looking to buy or sell or want to find out how you can get these beautiful views every day, my name is Hector Hernandez, and I would love the opportunity to help you, show you, or at least talk to you. Have a good one.